Hi everyone, welcome to the Java session on transfer statements. Today we are going to see some of the transfer statements present in Java with live examples. Let me give you the first statement, which is all about break statement. Break statement is used to break the nearby loop. Okay, whenever you use a break statement, the control comes out of the loop. Now observe, in this loop, I am going to use the break statement. Whenever this condition is met, the control will come out of the loop, which means the control will come here. Okay. Now, let me give you with example. Observe this example. I had taken a class test and this is the main method. Let me take a for loop. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. This loop will iterate starting with 1 to I value becomes 10. Okay. In meanwhile, I am going to break the loop when I met the condition. If I equal to 5, then I will break the loop. Observe the statement. I am going to break the loop. And the remaining statement I am going to write as it is. System.out.println. I am going to print I value. Now observe this example. Let me compile and show you. Java C test.java. Let me run this program, Java test. Observe 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining values won't get printed because whenever I met the condition I equal to 5, observe here. Whenever I met the condition I equal to 5, break will be executed. That means the control will come out of the loop. The control will be here. There will be no further statements, so that we will get the output as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now let me show you another statement which is all about continue statement. Continue statement is used to skip the current iteration and the control will go normally for the next iteration. Observe, if some condition is met, if I use a continue statement, for this current iteration, these statements will be skipped and it will go again to the next iteration. Okay, let me give this example. Observe, I am going to give you with an example. If I equal to 5, let me replace the break statement with continue. Observe what happens. The control will move like this. First, I equal to 1, it gets printed. 2, 3, 4. When I equal to 5, continue will be executed, which means this line will be skipped so that we will get 1 to 4 and 6 to 10. Observe this output. Let me compile and show you. Let me compile. Java C test.java. Let me run this program. Java test. Observe the output. Only 5 is skipped because at that current iteration, I used a continue statement which skips this line. This is all about today's session. I will come up with some more new topics in next session. Thank you.